Okay, behind the Hindustan Unilever Limited. This time the Hindustan Unilever in a symmetric triangle. Okay, you can see this. This is the 4-hour chart. Also, these are the that every points have touched very well at this Hindustan Unilever. This area 1, 2, 3 touches, and bottom also have 3 touches. Okay, so after this, you have to wait for the breakout. So symmetric triangle have a chance to break on upward side and downward side also. Okay, and one more thing here, and you can wait for this breakout and you can do with trade. I need to go to the indicator, the volume oscillator. Okay, you can see this thing. Okay, so this volume indication says that you need to wait for the breakout of this volume trend line. This is the trend line of the volume. After this, a huge volume movement, you can go for the trade. Sometimes that can from downside or upper side. You will wait after the breakout from this volume line, so you can go for the trade. Okay, it's a good time to see this Unilever, and after you can invest this pattern. Okay, thank you.